What's up, fam? Music fans, man? We back at it with another video, man. I ain't been posting in a while. My fault, you know. Shit be coming out, you know what I'm saying? Working hard and all that stuff, bro. But you know, we back at it now. We back in strong, you feel me? But yeah, like the video suggested that we're gonna be putting a new Y pipe in the G. Yeah, the Y pipe, the stock Y pipe that I have here. All the flex pipes on there, they all popped. You feel me? Yeah, they been rubbing and all that stuff. Cause when I put the test pipe in, I guess it had flex pipes on the test pipe that I got. So it has the Y pipe hanging, so it's scraping on the ground. So all the pipes busting, all that shit. I can't really put down power how I want to. So you know, we're gonna fix that today. I got the Y pipe in the truck right now. I think the Y pipe is from the company called All Star Exhaust. Yeah, we'll see how it sounds after we put it on. But yeah, I'll let y'all know when we get there. We out here.
Oh, move it right here? Okay. Nah.
Going up already. There's a wipe out right here. Sound good. Even with the exhaust lead. See how low that wipe out hanging, man? Shit hanging lower than your grandma's titty, man. Shit low as fuck. Alright, man. The Y pipe didn't fit, so we ended up doing this. Ended up welding this one. Should look good. Should look good. So basically, y'all, the Y pipe I got didn't fit, it was too short. But what they did is they cut off the flex pipe from the stock Y pipe and they straight piped it. So, but it's still pulling good. So I'm gonna just send this Y pipe back. But this shit's really pulling good though right now, boy. That shit sound good. You know what I mean? I'm about to do some pulls with this beer real quick. Finally, my shit was dragging on the floor, all that shit. Cause the reason why my shit was dragging, cause both the test pipe and the Y pipe had flex pipe. All shit was dragging it down. Now that shit off of it, shit, pretty good. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. So yeah, man, this is how the G looking right now, man. I also lowered it. I had the video, but I lost the video. But I lowered it. I'm gonna redo it though. Oils on that shit. But that's how the G looking right now. Looking pretty. But yeah, no more scraping, no more. Cause that shit was sagging more than your grandma's titty, man. Shit sounding crispy now. Still looking good, you feel me? Yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next video, man.